Hi guys, thanks for joining us again. Hope you're enjoying our adventure. For those of you who are new, let's introduce ourselves. We're each and all a little crazy and a little daft, but you're more than welcome to join us on our journey. And no, Kerry, I hadn't forgotten you, sweetheart, but somebody has to take the pictures. Today you're joining us on one of Antigua and Barbuda's most beautiful beaches. And if there's one thing this island knows how to do well, it's certainly the beaches. And not just any beaches. We're talking powder soft sands, water so clear it barely looks real, and waves that gently roll in like something straight out of a postcard.
Hi, darling. You okay? Yes, thank you. Well, you'll let us know any second now. Watch Kerry's face as she goes in. Verdict? I'll be coming in now.
The temperature today is hot, proper Caribbean hot. With this heat, even standing still feels like exercise.
Wild. That'd be a case of where's the female gone?
She's gone over there.
Which means the sea is absolutely perfect, although it is a little cold.
Fucking cold, this water.
No, it's not cold. It's perfectly fine. It's good for you.
Not for me. On my mental healthness.
Deep in talks. Those two are like lovebirds.
Who?
Those two.
Yeah, probably talking about frying pans or something. Right, Simon, are you talking about frying pans?
Now you mention it.
Come to think of it, actually, the teapot would go amazing.
Naturally, most of the day is spent doing exactly what we should be doing on a beach like this. Very little. Swimming, relaxing, enjoying the view, and occasionally reminding ourselves how lucky we are to be here. It's not long before the boys spot something that instantly changes that mood. Jet skis. James and I are the first out, but I have to admit, I love speed, so this is absolutely brilliant fun for me. Now, James and Oliver are very familiar with these things. In their mind, a beach day without a jet ski is basically incomplete. Simon, on the other hand, has never been on one before. And let's just say he's looking at them with a healthy amount of suspicion. James and Oliver take off like they've been doing this their whole lives, which they have. Meanwhile, Simon and Amy set off with slightly more caution. Enthusiastically, maybe a little too enthusiastically. For a brief moment, everything looks controlled. Very sensible, very smooth. And then, oops, I'm pretty sure that's not part of the plan.
A little bit of advice for future jet skiers. The best way to get back on a jet ski after falling off is quietly whilst hoping no one on the beach is recording you. Simon.
Simon and Amy discovered the jet skis and balance don't always go hand in hand. The sea wins that round, Simon. Back on the beach, we're trying very hard to look sympathetic. But let's be honest, it was quite funny. Meanwhile, Oliver and Kerry are absolutely flying across the sea like seasoned professionals, gliding, bouncing, turning, clearly having the time of their lives. Simon, however, has come to a very sensible conclusion. He quite likes being on land. Terra firma, as they say. Amy, on the other hand, is more than happy to go bouncing across the sea again. So after a while, James takes Amy out so she can have another go. And with that, the jet ski adventure continues. Once again, guys, it's dad joke time.
Why did the banana wear sunscreen? Because he didn't want to peel.
Eventually, it's time to make our way back towards the ship, but not before wandering through a few of the little shops along the way. Just for a quick look, of course. It would be so rude not to. And of course, you have to make time for the photographs. Forever to remember couple photographs. And the group photos where inevitably one of us is always missing. As always, we need to add a little fun fact. Did you know, apparently, Antigua has 365 beaches, one for every day of the year, which means we clearly need to come back at least 364 more times. We're working on that one. Caribbean has given us some beautiful sunsets. Antigua is not going to be any different. The skies slowly fill with beautiful colours, and the sun sinks behind the horizon. Time to freshen up and get changed, then meet up for the evening. It's time for a pre-dinner drink or two. Then it's off to one of the speciality restaurants, which means good food, good company, and plenty of laughter as we relive the day, sharing stories about our jet ski wipeouts, Simon again, our high-speed rides across the waves, and everything in between. As always, the conversation eventually turns to tomorrow's plans.
Ready? I can't believe it takes a team. Yeah, that's all right. No, we've got it under control.
Next up will be St Maarten, another island, another adventure, and knowing this mad group, probably another story to tell you.